Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I made these mittens last year. Oh, I left the gloves in them even. From a felted sweater I bought in Colorado Springs in 2020. But I don't think I showed you how to make them. Not sure, but I don't think I did. So I'm going to show you now. I think I got this tutorial, on the internet. I don't know where. Get you some brown paper from Amazon, from your grocery bag. I don't know. Put your hand down. You want it to be gauntlet sized. So you're going to bring it down, clear down here. And you're going to go on the outside of your hand, because you want plenty of room in there to trap air to keep yourself warm. Okay? So, go to the thrift store and get, let's see what this says. Dry clean. It's 100% Chinese. I don't know what that... Did it say somewhere? Made in China. Yep. 100% wool. Okay. And it's felted. That means it's been washed and the fibers are together. And yes, this is a whole jacket, but it's boxy and I did not ever wear it. So let's dissect, shall we? You're going to need 4 pieces of those. 2 for this side, you flip it, and you need 2 for this side. Oops. Oh my gosh, I went out of frame. People had a cow last on my Crazy Quilt Friday video because I went out of frame. Do you want perfect? Too bad. Too bad. So, I am one person without a filmography degree with an iPhone and a makeshift tripod and nobody to tell me if I'm off camera. So, y'all need to chill out. Mistakes will happen. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. So if I need to, I can cut off the sleeves and cut a couple of... Maybe I'll have enough with just this back. Okay. Let's see if I do it. This. I think so. I think we're going to be okay. I'm going to use a marker. And this fabric is the same on both sides. So I'm going to pin it because they have to stay together anyway. If I do this, I'll have this left. Okay. Okay. Oop. Already. See, it's perfect, right? Suppose you want me to go wash my hand in solvent so it's perfect. This video. And see, that was down there, but I can't. Okay. Am I zoomed in or no? Okay, that's just how it is. Felted wool will not unravel. But check your label. Make sure it's 100% wool. If it's not felted, throw it in the washing machine. Shrink that stuff up. By the way, this is Mixed Media Monday. If I was careful, I could have had that. No, you know I'm not careful. This could have been my edge. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Pin these together. Nope, wait, right here. I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna stop. I gotta go thread some needles. And I'll be back to show you how to sew. Got a couple needles. Start here and you're gonna, I take a stitch like that. You're gonna do a blanket stitch. Hold it to the left and come up like that. And you're going to do that all the way around. Hold your thread to the left. And come up like that. So I'm going to go sit down and sew both mittens all the way around. And then we'll come back and we'll go on to the next step. So you're probably thinking, those are awfully plain, Rebecca. They are absolutely nothing like the ones you did before. Well, here's the thing. Yes, they're plain. But, you know, and we could have embroidered on them or whatever, but see, I already had another plan. This. So now you're saying, well, why didn't you just make it out of that? Well, let me tell you. Let me find the tag. Is there a tag? I know there's a tag because I looked at it. Oh, situation normal. There it is. It's cotton. It is not wool. Although it so feels like wool. Is there another tag? Well, anyway, we're going to make an outer layer. So first, I have to dissect this. Got this in Colorado Springs, also at the same time that I got the red one. It was at a rummage sale, garage sale, rummage sale. And I thought right away, oh, I could make mittens out of that. But I don't think cotton is a good choice. But I thought, well, we'll see. So then, I can't remember. I know I probably got this pink at the multi-agency probably years and years and years ago. So then I thought, hey, I will make the inner layer out of the pink, and I will make the outer layer out of the black and white. Oh, look how cool that is. Seriously. So I need to make it bigger. And I don't have anything to mark with on here, so we're gonna pin and cut around. This is the coolest thing. It's embroidered. This nice little winter dress for a child, but you know. Okay. Nope. I need it to be, oh look, we can use the hem too. Okay. Hem. So I'm going to try to cut an inch bigger, or 3/4 of an inch or whatever. Come out like that. And now I want to go to the free store and find some wool sweaters and make more. You know how when you start doing something and then you get obsessed? Well, I do anyway. So this is down here for the edge of the mitten. Okay. Pins. A little close. I meant to do that. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. And I can still use this for something. This needle. I think I'm going to try, no, I'm not, or I could try zigzagging, or, no, I'll just hand sew it. That's just the way it is. That thumb looks funny. Okay. I'm going to do it this way, though. And when I get them done, I shall return. I finished these. I've turned this one. I wanted you to see what the blanket stitch looked like around the edge. Excuse me. And some soda. I'm sorry. These are awesome. Now, you take this one and slip it into this one. And I'll tell you what, you can go to the football game and sit out in the below zero weather. Well, you'd probably have to put those hand warmer things in there that you get from the Dollar General. I went to the thrift store. In between sewing and all that, I had to get a blood draw, like I said, and all that good stuff. I could not find any more wool sweaters to shrink. So, oh, they don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be perfect. But they are way cool. All right. Get you some sweaters. Make some mittens. Have a snowball fight. Be cool.